Where can you get a class code on Google Classroom? Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can get a class code that you can share to your students. So I've created this new class to help you, a teacher, if you are using a mobile phone or a smartphone, so that you can get a class code that you will share to your students. So if you want to get a class code, just tap the gear icon at the top right hand corner. At the top right hand corner, just tap or click this gear icon. If you click this gear icon, it will send you to this page. So scroll down this page, you'll find an area written general here. So if you find this area, just click it. So this code will be copied automatically. And if I click here, you see the code has been copied automatically. Then share it to your students.